Sending money from Revolut to Gcash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, in the Revolut application, navigate to the Payments or Transfer section. Add your local bank account details and withdraw the funds from your Revolut account to your linked bank account. Link bank account to Gcash. So, open the Gcash application. Here, navigate to the Cash In or Add Money section. Choose the bank transfer option and link your bank account by providing the necessary details. Once your Revolut funds are in your linked bank account, initiate a transfer from your bank account to Gcash using the Cash app. Use the provided reference or account details to ensure the funds are credited correctly. Next, confirm the transaction within the Gcash app. Lastly, log in to your Gcash app and verify that the transferred funds have been credited to your Gcash account.